It's been 30 years since we dreamt of welcoming thousands of smiling faces to the apple barn, of watching the sun rise and set behind the trees. As third-generation farmers, we thank you for exploring our orchards and enjoying the taste of our apples, for watching the tree-to-bottle process as we made soft ciders and then hard ciders. Thank you for exploring our sunflower garden and jumping on our pillows, riding our ponies, picking the perfect jack-o'-lantern in our pumpkin patch, loving on our goats and other furry barnyard friends, playing hide and seek in our playground and getting lost and found in our corn maze. Thank you for having a sweet tooth for our caramel apples and apple cider slushies, and for the joy you bring to our farm.